Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yashashwini from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, I am going to discuss about the subject mathematics, and the subject code is BMATS201 and topic is applications of vector space and linear transformation. First, let us see about the contents. Introduction to vector space, physics, computer graphics, machine learning, robotics, introduction to linear transformation, image compression, signal processing, electrical engineering, and conclusion for both vector space and linear transformations. First, let us see about introduction to vector space. A vector space is a mathematical structure that consists of a set of vectors and operations that can be performed on those vectors. Vector space have various applications in different fields of study, including physics, computer science, and economics. Understanding the application of vector spaces is essential for the solving complex problems in these fields. Physics. In physics, vectors are used to represent physical quantities such as force, velocity, and acceleration. Vector space provide a mathematical framework for analyzing and solving problems related to motion such as projectile motion and circular motion. By applying vector space concepts, we can accurately describe and predict the behavior of physical systems. Computer graphics. Vector space plays a crucial role in computer graphics, where they are used to represent geometric objects and transformations. By utilizing vector spaces, computer graphics algorithms can efficiently render three-dimensional scenes, stimulate realistic lighting effects, and perform image transformation. Many popular software applications such as 3D modeling and animation software heavily and vector space to create visually stunning graphics. Machine learning. In machine learning, vectors are commonly used to represent data points and features. Vector space provide mathematical framework for analyzing and manipulating high-dimensional data. Machine learning algorithms such as support vector machines and neural networks leverage vector space to make robotics. Vector spaces are fundamental in robotics for representing positions, orientation, and motions of robotic systems. By using vector space, robotic engineers can model and control the movements of robot in three-dimensional space. Application of vector space in robotic include path planning, robot kinematics, and robot control. Quantum mechanics. Vector spaces are the backbone of quantum mechanics, providing a mathematical framework to describe quantum states and operations. Quantum states such as wave function are represented as vectors in Hilbert space. The principle of superposition and entanglement tied to vector space are operations in quantum mechanics. Economics. Vector spaces find applications in various economic models such as input-output models and general equilibrium models. They help economists analyze and quantify relationship between different economic variables such as production, consumption, and investment. Vector space technique enable economists to solve complex optimization problems and make informed policy recommendations. Introduction to linear transformation. Linear transformation are the mathematical functions that map vectors from one vector space to another. They have various applications in fields such as computer graphics, engineering, physics, and data analysis. Understanding their application is crucial for solving real-world problems efficiently. Image compression. Linear transformation can be used in image compression algorithms by transforming the image using techniques like discrete cosine transform (DCT). The image can be represented in more compact form. This reduces the storage space required and speeds up transformation over networks. Computer graphics. Linear transformation plays a vital role in computer graphics. They are used to rotate, scale, and translate objects on the screen. Applying linear transformations efficiently can create realistic three-dimensional animation and simulations. Data analysis. Linear transformations are used in principal component analysis (PCA) to reduce the dimension of data. By transforming the data into a lower dimensional space, important patterns and relationships can be extracted. This helps in clustering, classifications, and visualization of large datasets. Image processing, linear transformation are used in image filtering techniques such as convolutions. Convolutions applies a filter matrix to an image, enhancing or extracting specific features. This is commonly used in image processing tasks like edge detection and image enhancement. Signal processing, linear transformations such as the Fourier transform are extensively used in signal processing. They can convert time domain signals into frequency domain representation. This enables analysis, filtering, and compression of audio, video, and other types of signals. Environmental science. Vector spaces are used to analyze and model environmental data. Linear transformation helps in studying climate patterns and natural resources management. They enable to understand and prediction of complex environmental systems. Conclusion. Vector space and linear transformation has diverse application across various fields. They provide a powerful mathematical framework for solving complex problems. Understanding this concept is essential for advancing scientific and technological advancements. Thank you for watching my video.